Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talk a lot about AI in the past month and a half, 2 months, actually several months since the world kind of got into Chat GPT and then Bing and then Microsoft Copilot and all of the AI stuff Microsoft has been pushing, including in Windows. And of course, in response to that, Google had launched a AI called Google Bard, which was far from being as good as anything else. So it kind of deceived a lot of people, but now Google says it's coming back in vengeance, basically, with force. We'll call it like that. Now Google is launching Gemini. They say it's the world's most powerful artificial intelligence, and it is light years ahead, apparently, from what ChatGPT can do. So this actually, and of course, all the companies making AI stuff will want to integrate that with products. And so what they're saying is that the launch of Gemini means that future products and services of Google will be using it. There's three types of Gemini. One is Gemini Ultra, one is Gemini Pro, and for portable devices like the Google Pixel phone, for example, we'll get Gemini Nano. And it will be slowly integrated into everything, including the Google Chrome browser, where it is supposed to help us aggregate and have much more accurate information about anything we want to search for and anything we want to do. So this is going to be interesting to see what is capable. I saw a video demonstration that they put online, which was, I have to say, quite impressive. But one thing to note is that these are not capable of, kind of human thinking, if you want. They don't reflect on anything. They don't have these capabilities of the human brain to analyze and reflect on its own. It is pretty much a very powerful aggregator of information that it picks out everywhere, and then is capable of using that and interacting with that. So, this is not Terminator. And, there's a lot of fear with AI coming to getting, first of all, more and more powerful. But also, you've got to remind yourself that these are machines. They aren't, if you look at Terminators in the movie, they are self-aware. This isn't self-aware at all. Doesn't even know what being aware of is. It's simply very powerful aggregators of information. So they might look human. They might look almost like they're having a conversation with you, but in reality, they are mostly analyzing data and getting responses back to you from that data and from what the humans actually tell it. And last, Google says that the AI implementation they're working on with Gemini is a responsible AI. So this, whatever it means, we'll see when it integrates with other devices what's going to happen with that. But here comes Gemini. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.